Hello, Kiana here from Being in Sync. And today I wanted to take some time to share with you vitality, repair, activation. Yes, I know a lot of people do not understand energy, although everything is energy. And I know even more people do not understand how energy psychology go together. So I don't want to lecture you or give you a bunch of data that you don't necessarily need, because I do believe that your best data is always going to be your own personal experience. So today I'm going to do a vitality repair activation. It requires nothing on your end but to just be present and open. But before I do that, I just want to explain to you people what exactly vitality is and where is it in the body, and why does it need repair. So I just took a couple notes because I wanted to make sure I was really clear and succinct as I shared with you. Unequivocally, our vitality is our connection to our life force energy. And our life force energy is just essentially our love for life. Those people that just have that zeal in them, that they, no matter what is going on, they're learning from it, they're growing, they're expanding. That's somebody who is connected to their life force energy and loving life and their ability to love life. And we all have access to it. Now, you might be wondering, where is that in your body? Well, it's located in your sacral, which is just between your sacral chakra. And that's located right in between your hips and below your belly button. And right there in the center, in between all that good, juicy organs, and that is where this life force energy is located. And some of you might be wondering, well, why do I need to even repair my life force? I was born with it. We all have access to it. Why, Kiana, do we have to repair it? And there are a couple reasons for the repair. But essentially, we live in a highly dense environment, which I know you all know. But you may not know what density is. And density is fear, doom, any type of separation. And you turn on the news and you see things that are being maybe taken away from your Medicare or your health insurance, or maybe there's some topics on the news that are very fearful for you, like the new viruses that might be going on, and that could be really scary for a lot of people. So fear. Anytime we're spending too much in our mind and we're thinking. Often when I start working with people, immediately their thoughts just start to slow, and there's a little bit more of a pace and a flow through it. Also, doom, and then just, wanting to give up. Maybe you just had enough. And you might not be thinking of taking your life, but you're definitely checked out. And also maybe even depressed. I know many of my clients, even senior executives, who've worked their whole lives to get to the pinnacle of their career, and it's just not what they thought it was going to be. And so they get depressed and they feel despair and they feel discouraged. Even though they keep on going on, they're somewhat checked out because this isn't exactly what they thought they were signing up for. So those are just a few things as to why we would need a vitality repair activation. So now I just want to tell you a little bit about what this activation is going to be. I have chosen to use zero music. I don't want anything to distract you from these 2 minutes. I'm going to spend about 2 minutes doing this. And I'm going to bring in the energy, and trust me, this energy is coming in through me to you, and you will feel it in your body. So you don't have to do anything. This doesn't require you to do anything whatsoever. All you have to do is be open and receive. And then what you might want to do is just notice and feel into your body. The other thing is to breathe. So I'm just going to go through really shortly how to breathe so you can actually begin to oxygenate your body. And how I do this, it's a really simple in through your nose, 2 inhales, and then you're doing a belly breath. So as you breathe in, your belly is extending. And then exhale out through your mouth. So we're going to do this for 2 minutes. And all you have to do is notice how you feel and breathe. And there's not going to be any talking until I'm done. Just stay focused on your breath. 2 inhales, a little pause, exhale. What you may notice is that my breath has started to slow. Just relaxing into it, still keeping that pause at the top. What happens when we take our time for our breath and just relax? We allow the energy to come in. The energy is recalibrating. What's happening is I'm clearing out all the density around where you might be feeling the most pressure within your body. And that's going to be different for everybody. This experience is different for everybody. So it's important for you to just be open, relaxed, and to receive the energy. This is the energy vitality recalibration. So I'm doing a repair activation. So vitality, repair, activation. And through the breath, we all become much more clear and calm, and we can connect into who we really are, connect into that life force energy. I look forward to hearing from you and hearing about your experience, and cheers to being in sync for your first vitality repair activation. I'm Kiana. You can reach me at kiannaa.com, KIANNAA.com. Cheers.